Today's video highlights the Fed's rate cut, Gift Nifty's drop, Wall Street's tumble, Vishal Mega Mart's stellar debut, and NMDC's sharp fall. Stay tuned for key insights. The numbers are in and the verdict is out. The numbers, as widely expected, the Federal Reserve lowered its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points to 4.25% to 4.55%, marking the third consecutive reduction this year. The summary of economic projections showed that FOMC members expect 2 additional cuts for all of next year according to average estimates, compared to a full percentage point in the last projection from September. The central bank also expects inflation to remain higher despite the higher borrowing costs. The verdict: Wall Street fell hard as the Fed forecasted fewer interest rate cuts next year, probably will lower rates twice more in 2025 by a total of 50 bps. As of writing, Gift Nifty 2 dropped 0.50% after the Fed says they are done cutting rates. Long story short, caution continues to be the buzzword. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1317 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 4084 crores. Sentiments have turned risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions on the daily charts. FANO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 14.48 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 0.85 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.47. Nifty outlook: an up and down session is quite likely with negative bias. Nifty, CMP to 4199. Support, 24,100 to 24,050. Resistance, 24,300 to 24,350. Range, 24,050 to 24,350. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 5 to 140. Support, 51,750 to 51,800. Resistance, 52,450 to 52,500. Range, 51,800 to 52,500. Bias, sideways to bearish. In yesterday's trade, Nifty continued to attract bears and the pessimism was witnessed for third straight day amidst 1. India's slowing economic growth, which is likely to mean that capital flows will be weak. 2. In last 3 sessions, FIIs have turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 8,005.40 crores. 3. China plans to increase its budget deficit to 4% in 2025, which could restrict foreign inflows into India. The street is anticipating a rise in Beijing stimulus measures. 4. The street is also apprehensive on the theme that Trump will impose tariffs next year. Buzzing stocks. 1. DAM Capital IPO kicks off today as the firm is seeking to raise 840.25 crore rupees. 2. Vishal Mega Mart, SAIL Life Sciences and One MobiKwik Systems have witnessed bumper market debuts. Interestingly, Vishal Mega Mart has crossed the 50,000 crore rupees market capitalization, while SAIL Life Sciences MCAP stands at 15,917 crore rupees and MobiKwik's current MCAP is 4,120 crore rupees. MobiKwik shares close with 89% gains, Vishal Mega Mart, SAIL Life rally around 40%. 3. NMDC tumbled 6% in yesterday's trade amidst reports suggesting that the Karnataka government is considering an increase in the duty on iron ore. The state reportedly aims to generate approximately 10,000 crore rupees in revenue from iron ore duties this year, the report said. Karnataka plays a critical role in India's iron ore sector, as it holds the largest iron ore reserves globally, accounting for 78% of India's total reserves. Additionally, Karnataka is the country's leading producer of iron ore.